Okay guys, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on the move, rotate, and scale of an object. Alright, so I'm just going to go up here, I'm going to select an item. I already have my texture chosen just for the hell of it. And I'm going to do a simple cylinder. I'm going to come in here and put it on a screen. And as I always say, the whatever you last pick kind of sticks to the mouse. So in order to get rid of that, I go back to menu and then back to scene. Now, we don't want to be in the what is it called, the toggle mode or whatever. We just want to be in a standard view, and we're going to click on the object and you'll see that it turns red. Now if you go up here into the edit, you see that move is highlighted, and all I'm going to use, what I use is the arrow keys and the page up and down keys. So to move it, I'm going to use the right facing arrow. You see it goes over, left facing arrow, up facing arrow, and a down facing arrow. And now to do smaller movements, you can use control. I'm going to hold down the control, and you'll see the right, going to the right, that it doesn't move as much. And if I hold down the alt and go over, it goes very, very little. And that works for, on all of them, it works on for move, rotate, and scale, using the control and the alt. The alt is a very fine movement. Control basically cuts it in half. So that was the move. Now we'll click on the rotate here. This is the right arrow key, and you see it spinning around. This is the left facing arrow key, the up facing arrow key, and the down facing arrow key. And then if I hit the page up and the page down, page up, reset it, then you'll see if you hold the control and page up, it only goes a little. The alt, it barely goes. So that really fine tunes it. And then let me see if I can get it reset. And then we'll go to the scale. Now again, with the scale, you're using the arrow keys, the page up and the page down. Arrow key up, arrow key down, arrow key right, arrow key left, page up, page down. And again, if you use the alt and page down, you'll see it barely goes. If you use control, you'll see, it does it at about half. So real simple. I'll re-highlight it again. Then if you want to get rid of that, you click on the delete key. So real simple. That's your move, rotate, and scale. And remember, when you want to go to a form, let me go back to select items, cylinder, we'll go back here, and if you want to go into the form mode, you press the space bar. That way it doesn't seem to work when you have it stuck to your mouse. So I go back, come back there, there we go. Now form mode is on, you'll see. And that was in a form mode, you select that and it'll bring up the form, and you can do behavior, events, all that stuff. Alright, so that's a real quick tutorial on how to use the move, rotate, and scale function in Mega Kerma. I'm using the 2.4 registered version, but it does the same thing in the non-registered version. So I hope you guys learned something, and thanks for stopping by, and I hope to do some more.